Hey, what's going on, everybody? Adam McChesney here. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you haven't done so already, please be sure to hit that subscribe button. That way you can get notified every single Tuesday and Friday when we launch a new video. And in today's video, we're going to talk about how much you should expect to be paying for 2024 as a local service-based business owner going into this year and beyond. As the recording of this video, this is in January of 2024. You're going to see prices from a couple $100 a month all the way up to a couple $1,000 a month. The rule of thumb that I tell everybody, though, and really what you should be looking for and paying attention, is if it's under $1,000, it's a massive, massive red flag. You could get by potentially paying a couple $100 for SEO and it not completely tank your online rankings. But most of the time when you see things that are under $1,000, there's a variety of different issues and factors. One of which, it's typically outsourced work. So you might as well go find the exact source of where the work is coming from if you actually want to just get it done for that cheap. Two, it's probably not going to be the greatest quality of content. So you're probably going to be paying for, overseas, somebody that doesn't really know English. And so it's going to be very, very remedial type of work. And so you absolutely get what you pay for. And then number three, it's usually what we refer to as black hat SEO. So you do run the risk of getting dinged or pinged by Google and then having to not only pay to fix that, but then obviously get the rankings that you're obviously looking for. So the short-term likelihood of it actually working potentially, but the long-term ramifications of what actually happens when you pay for a very cheap SEO type of service or product and it's black hat and you get dinged by Google, you're going to have to pay a lot more to go get it fixed, right? No different than if you're a contractor and somebody hires you because they went with the cheaper option the first time. And now you're coming in and not only do you have to fix the previous work, but you have to do the job right. So same type of situation, same type of analogy. So anything under than $1,000, massive, massive red flag. Now I'll tell you that typically the companies that are doing really, really good work are typically usually charging anywhere from $1,500 all the way up to $3,000 or $4,000 a month. And sometimes you'll even see it higher. Typically what we see though is that in that $1,500 to $2,500 a month range for a basic standard SEO pack is what you should expect to pay, right? Now, if you're in a very, very competitive industry, so let's just say roofing, in a very, very competitive market, let's say anywhere in Texas or Florida or California, a place where roofs can get done all year round and there's typically a lot of insurance work, you are going to need to pay more. Not that the service itself is going to be different, but you usually need to pay more to get more content, right? So all of our packages, whether you're doing a local basic package all the way through a national, our most advanced package, that's $4,000 a month, right? Our basic packages start at $1,750 a month and go all the way up to $4,000 plus on a national scale. The packages themselves are absolutely not any different. The only difference is the amount of content that you're getting. So we'll go from 4 pieces of content, new pages a month, whether that be blogs, FAQs, service location pages, all the way up to 12 and beyond. Same thing with backlinks and press releases and all those different deliverables. You just get more of them. So we're not the company that's going to say, hey, you get more service, right? Or you get more deliverable, like a different deliverable in the larger package than the basic package. No, you just get more of it, right? So as you're going in and you're taking a look at these different SEO packages and options and things like that, you just want to make sure you're comparing things apples to apples, right? What is $1,500 a month at one company is not going to be $1,500 a month at another company. But typically, again, rule of thumb, if it's under $1,000, I don't care what's in that package, you're typically not going to get a return on investment on it, or there's something that's shady that's going on behind the scenes and you don't want to mess with it, right? So $1,500 to $2,500 is kind of what you should typically expect. Again, for most businesses in most industries and most locations, expect to pay more in more competitive industries and more competitive markets, and or if you want more content done right, anything under $1,000 an absolute red flag. But if you have any questions, if there's any additional thoughts, insights, etc., feedback here on this video, or if you're interested in having a conversation around SEO in 2024 and beyond, you just want us to look over, hey, I'm currently getting options and pricing around this. What can you all do? Or more than happy to just walk through and give my expert advice on, hey, go with this package. This is pretty good. You're going to get your money's worth here. Or, hey, I'm seeing a little bit of alarming things here. I'd watch out for this. Feel free to shoot me a message on Instagram. That's going to be the best place to get a hold of me at Adam L. McChesney, or you can head over to adammcchesney.com and connect with me on whatever social platform is the easiest for you. So thank you very much for watching today's video, and we'll see you next time.